welcome to the Crab Papa Show. In today's episode, we're doing guinea pig. No, we're not. Hi, babies. What are you doing? What are you doing? Luna, what are you doing? Anyways, today's episode, we're going to be building a set. This is for a project I got upcoming with a very dear friend of mine. I need a space-looking background, or a spaceship-looking background. So what I'm going to do is take this old washing machine, cut it with my Harbor Freight Special, and hopefully this will stay together. Make it flat. This will be a backdrop. I'm going to fill these panels in with the green screen, and then we'll have a nice little planet or something sticking out. Fill these in here. Maybe give it a paint first, dull gray or something. I don't know. And here we go. Alright, so here's our old washing machine. And I'm trying to pry the top off. No, take the lid off. But I thought we could maybe save some time, since it's all going in the trash anyway, and just pry it off. It's the electronic parts. Just cutting through the wires seems to be the fastest way. And then that had some bolts on it that was pretty tight, so we just pried it off. And this has some weird kind of bungee sort of cable thingies. Let that drum kind of do its thing, I guess. But they came out pretty easy. I was just gonna pry it, break it off. And those were the things holding the drum on. I'm trying to get the washing machine away from the drum, but it was proven a little too difficult. It's not really attached to anything, but I couldn't get it out. And since I was going to cut it anyway, that's what we did. Now this was making a horrendous sound with the vibrations and everything. And I forgot I had my guinea pigs out. They don't like loud noises, you know. Babies didn't like that.
You're listening to KQID LP Chico 107.1 FM. KQID is a ministry of Calvary Chapel of Chico.
So I put them all back inside and then started on the other side. This was even louder, but it was fine. And then these brackets, I think they were welded on, maybe. So I just cut right through them. And the ones on the outer corners I didn't need to cut, because that wasn't going to be moved. And this is top and bottom. And then here I'm just kind of flexing it out. I didn't want to put any creases in it, so I was trying to be kind of slow and careful. There we go. And then I noticed it kind of looked like a barricade. So now we're on to the painting. I went down to the store to pick up some more gold paint and didn't realize at the time it was different than the one I had at home. The one I had at home was this can here I'm using, and it was about half full. I didn't know if there'd be enough. There's like 5 different kinds of gold spray paint from Rust-Oleum. And each one is different. It's crazy. I got the idea for the gold from watching Stargate. I was watching the Goa'ulds inside of their Hatak vessels. I was kind of playing with the idea of putting some little, cartouches here and there on the panels, but decided against it. This is just fluorescent green paint. What you want is a matte finish. You don't want a gloss. The gloss will, for the green screen purposes, gloss will reflect light, and then you'll have little spots in the green screen. So this is a matte finish, and here I'm putting the tape down so we get it just on the panels. But while I was realigning this tape right here, I noticed it pulled off the gold. So I had to take it off, which I'm glad I noticed here and not after taping down all the other points. And I was trying to peel it off real careful so I wouldn't have to repaint the gold. So now I'm getting a little bit of overshoot because it's not going to be precise, but I figured this is kind of like an old starship, so the windows are a little cloudy and not as precise, kind of a lived-in feel. That's what I was kind of going for here, because the tape didn't work. And I also let this sit out for quite a couple of hours in the sun, so I don't know if the paint wasn't dry yet, or maybe I should have sanded off the original paint and it would have stuck better. I don't know. And these inner panels, they were kind of hard to get in there. And then here I'm just doing a little bit of touch up. Oh wait. No, I'm not. I thought I was doing touch up. Oh, this is, I'm just re-hitting a couple spots that didn't go in all the way. Hello, here is the finished product. I've got one of the panels blocked by a tree, so I'm not sure if it's going to turn out, but this is what we're going for here. And then I'll be sitting in front of it. Let's see here. And there you go. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.